Okay, really quickly, I wanted to come on here. I'm about to start cleaning up the living room. This is just a continuation. I'm continuing to clean. The two main spaces in my home that I like to keep pristine is my kitchen and my living room. If those two main spaces can remain clean, I can remain calm. My family knows that, like, I don't like to see things in my kitchen. I don't like to see a mess on my counters, and I definitely don't like to see a mess in the living room, because these are the areas that, like, if you're gonna come in my house, you're gonna hang out. You're gonna hang out in the kitchen or the living room. So I want it to always be clean. So now I'm gonna move on to my living room. This might take me a little bit longer because I plan on organizing a lot of stuff. So next year I can just go pop, 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 pop it all out. I am going to start cleaning my living room. I've already drank my coffee, so I'm like hyped up. And let's just go, let's just go.
Where do we go from? Where do we go from here? No one can save us from keeping clean. I don't wanna lose you, I don't wanna lose you now. 'Cause there is only one thing on my mind. Hey, 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 I just wanna see you on my new grave. Hey, 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 I just wanna see you on my new grave before you turn around and walk away. Hey, 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 I just wanna see you on my new grave. I can do my own thing. I can do my losing track of time, losing track of myself. I can make promises to get into your head. Hey, 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 I just wanna see you on my new grave. Hey, 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 I just wanna see you on my new grave before you turn around and walk away. Hey, 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 I just wanna see you on my, I just wanna see you. I can do my own thing. I can do my
Sorry for interrupting your program and the music, but letting you know that I'm taking out the batteries because I have left batteries in these type of items before and they corroded, and so I have lost many music maker or cute decorations because I've left the batteries in. So when you're storing your Christmas or any kind of decoration that has batteries, always make sure you take out the batteries. How many times can I say batteries? Batteries.
Forever and so we love, we say we love. We gave it all, we gave it all. We say we love, we say we love. But we were just innocent until something better came along. Until something better came along. Been feeling trapped down on the floor. I don't know what for. Feels like I'm gonna lose. Silence takes a hold. I can't let it go. Chin up, no one knows. But I won't let the stormy seas throw me in open water. Let me have my peace and leave me till tomorrow. Wind into my sail, away from things I let go, floating on the waves. We go bottoms up, we go all the way. When you're feeling down, push the pain away. We go bottoms up, we go all the way, and face that shit another day. We go bottoms up. Shaking through my car, left me in the cold. Chained to what I know, drifter on the road, take it where I go. But I won't let the stormy seas throw me in open water. Let me have my peace and leave me till tomorrow. Wind into my sail, away from things I let go, floating on the waves. Go bottoms up, we go all the way. When you're feeling down, push the pain away. We go bottoms up, we go all the way, and face that shit another day. We go bottoms up. We go bottoms up. And face that shit another day. can feel my body cold against the concrete, but I can't seem to get enough. My mind is fixed on what it wants. I just let you beat me. Looks can be deceiving. Let you get the best of me. In bed with my worst enemy. This is a no-go. I just can't take hold. This is a danger zone. Back up and get me home. This is a no-go. I just can't take hold. This is a danger zone. Back up and get me. So put your hand in mine. Follow me. Let me waste your time. Set up beat. Do some stupid shit. Take a seat. Let me waste your time. So put your acting like you're into me. I know this is hopeless, moving in slow motion, trying to control my thoughts, but I can't stop our body talk. This is a no-go, I just can't take hold. This is a danger zone, back up and get me home. This is a no-go, I just can't take hold. This is a danger zone, back up and get me. So put your hand in mine, follow me, let me waste your time. Set up beat, do some stupid shit. Take a seat, let me waste your time. Set up beat.
All right, so the living room is clean. I went ahead and stopped recording because I had so much to do. I had to vacuum, I had to dust. You saw the amount of dust that was up here. I don't know what's on TV. It just came on and accidentally touched the remote. I have taken everything down from here. So I have a little like greenery that I need to put up here. I think it's put away in my spring flowers. So I need to get that out. The pillows are back to normal. This is cleared off. I like clean, bare surfaces. Like, I'm very minimal with my decor on the other seasons because I just feel like I just have so much stuff for Easter and Thanksgiving and Christmas that on my other seasons I feel like I can go minimal, and I just feel that minimal works for me. It's less to clean up, less to dust after. There was so much dust, I couldn't believe it. Like, my house, I noticed that upstairs was quite dusty also. So at some point I'm gonna have to get up there. I'll probably do that this weekend since I am jumping the gun and cleaning off my Christmas stuff. So there is the living room all cleaned up. And then again, in my kitchen, I need to remove that rug. I need to replace it. And then the kitchen table has been put back to its regular decor. I don't know if I mentioned, but I don't decorate for winter. I know a lot of people will do like winter stuff. That's about as winter as it's gonna get. A winter candle. By the way, I'm obsessed with Bath & Body Works candles. I have this that I need to burn. It's just a little wax, but this, I will be repainting this table because my husband accidentally puts a scented oil bulb from Bath & Body Works upside down, and that's what it did. So I will be repainting my table. And then the kitchen, yeah, the kitchen stayed clean. I have a few more dishes in the sink. I have cleaned out a few of the drying dishes, but yeah, so I'm like really feeling good about where I'm at right now. I did vacuum my floor in here because there was a lot of hair. And like I said, I will not be doing the floors, you know, a good mopping and cleaning of the floors till tomorrow. I always do that on Wednesday before I go back to work on Thursday. That way the weekend can be spent relaxing. and not worried about my dirty floors. So there it is. I do have decor in my bathroom that I'm going to need to get out to get the rest of the Christmas decor out of my living room area. And then, ta-da! Welcome to the mess. So now I'm going to have to start on, this is just the stuff that came from the living room. I'm gonna label that. I am gonna get rid of this decorative ribbon. I've done it for several years now, and I think next year I wanna do something different. Don't know what, but I gotta get all this stuff put away. These things came from the living room because I need to put them with more fragile stuff so that they don't get broken. I still have to take down my village, that tree, all the stuff in here, and a few decor pieces here. I have some stuff in the front, some flowers up there, and then, hello baby, and then I have a Christmas tree that I have to take down. So yeah, the ladder's staying because I have to grab that thing, but I am going to eat lunch because I am starving. So yes, this is cleaned for now. That's it. Say bye. Can you say bye? Can you say bye? Say bye, Nemo. My old man. He's 15. Alright guys, that's it. I will see you in the next video. I will be getting to this stuff. Blech. I'm going to eat lunch right now. Bye.